Are you thinking about creating a company in the UK? The good news is you can do it fully online, even if you're based outside the UK. In this video, I'll walk you through each step of the process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to form your UK limited company fully online. To simplify things, I highly recommend using First Formations, the UK's top company formation agent. They have helped over 1 million businesses and can register your company in just 24 hours. They also offer UK address services, so if you're, for example, based abroad and need a registered office address, service address, or business address, you can also buy these while registering your company with them. You can find my affiliate link to First Formations in the descriptions of this video. If you use my link, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps me to support the channel. Thank you. And now let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right company structure. The most common structure in the UK is a limited company, which offers personal liability protection by keeping your personal and business finances separate. LTD also allows access to funding and allows profit to be retained after paying taxes. Other options include sole traders and partnerships, but if you're planning to grow your business, a limited company might be the best choice. Note that there is help available from government-backed schemes if you're not sure which company structure is right for you. If you've decided that a limited company is the ideal structure for your business, let's proceed to the next step in establishing your company. Step 2. Pick a company name. Choosing your company name is exciting, but make sure it follows the rules. Your company name must usually end with limited or LTD, and it needs to be unique. You can use the company name availability checker to see if your desired name is available. You'll find the link in the description. You can also trade using a different name to your registered name, and this is known as your business name. Step 3. Appoint directors and a company secretary. Your company needs at least one director to oversee operations. Director is legally responsible for your company's records, accounts, and performance. As a director of a limited company, you must follow the company's rules shown in its articles of association, keep company records and report changes, file your accounts and your company tax return. Tell other shareholders if you might personally benefit from a transaction the company makes, and pay corporation tax. While a company secretary is not mandatory, having one can help with administrative tasks. Step 4. Decide on shareholders or guarantors. If your company is limited by shares, it is owned by its shareholders. As the sole shareholder, you will own 100% of the company. You can also bring in other shareholders and determine the share value to limit liability. The value of each share can be set at any amount. Shareholders are required to pay the full value of their shares if the company closes. To keep shareholder liability manageable, you can opt for a low share value such as £1. As a shareholder, you may receive dividend payments from the company. However, these dividends may be subject to taxes, so it's important to check the relevant guidelines on His Majesty's Revenue and Customs. Step 5. Identify people with significant control. It's a legal requirement to identify anyone who owns more than 25% of the shares or voting rights, or who has the right to appoint or remove the majority of the board or directors. Such people are known as people with significant control. Make sure this information is properly reported when forming your company. For more complex cases, you should read the full PSC guidance from the government website. Step 6. Prepare essential documents. You'll need a memorandum of association and articles of association to register your company. These documents define the legal agreement to form the company and outline its rules of operation. If you're registering online, the memorandum will be created automatically during the registration process. The Articles of Association define how your company will be run and are critical to ensure your business operates smoothly. There are model articles provided by the government that you can personalize if needed. Step 7. Keep accurate records. Once your company is set up and running, you'll need to maintain accurate records of directors, shareholders, financial transactions, and other key details. It's a good idea to hire an accountant to help with compliance, especially regarding taxes. Step 8. Register your company with Companies House. Finally, you'll need to register your company with Companies House, providing a UK registered office address, which you can buy, for example, from First Formations if needed. You will also need a standard industrial classification code to describe your business activities. After completing this step, you'll receive a certificate of incorporation, confirming your company's legal status. Most companies register for corporation tax at the same time as registering with Companies House. If that is not the case for you, make sure to register your corporation tax separately with His Majesty's Revenue and Customs. And that's it! You've just formed your company in the UK, all done online. And remember, First Formations can handle the entire process for you, including providing a UK address. So remember to check them out through the link in the descriptions. And if you're interested in learning more about buying a UK address, check my full video about this topic, also linked in the descriptions. I wish you best of luck with your new business.